வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 7 டேர்ம் 2 யூனிட் 1 விஜயநகர் அண்ட் பாமினி கிங்டம்ஸ் book exercises, question answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, who was the greatest ruler of Sangama dynasty? Option A, Bukka. Option B, Devaraya II. Option C, Hariraya II. Option D, Krishna Devaraya. The correct answer is option B, Devaraya II. Second one, which was the most common animal depicted on the pillars of Vijayanagara style? Option A, elephant. Option B, horse. Option C, cow. Option D, deer. The correct answer is option B, horse. Third one, who was the last ruler of the Sangama dynasty? Option A, Ramaraya. Option B, Tirumala Devaraya. Option C, Devaraya II. Option D, Virupaksharaya II. The correct answer is option D, Virupaksharaya II. Who ended the Sultanate in Madurai? Option A, Saluva Narasimha. Option B, Devaraya II. Option C, Kumara Kampana. Option D, Tirumala Devaraya. The correct answer is option C, Kumara Kampana. Fifth one, name the Bahmani king who was a linguistic and a poet. Option A, Alauddin Ashan Shah. Option B, Muhammad I. Option C, Sultan Feroz. Option D, Mujahid. The correct answer is option C, Sultan Feroz. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Dash was the capital of Aravidu dynasty. The answer is Penukonda. Second one, Vijayanagar emperors issued a large number of gold coins called Dash. Answer is Varahas. Third one, Muhammad Gawan used Dash chemist to teach the preparation and use of gunpowder. Answer is Persian. Fourth one, in Vijayanagara administration, Dash looked after the affairs of the villages. Answer is Gauda. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Vijayanagara, city of victory. Second, Prataparudra, ruler of Odisha. Third, Krishna Devaraya, Astadigajas. Fourth one, Abdur Razzaq, Persian emissary. Fifth one, Tenali Ramakrishnan, Panduranga Magathyam. Fourth Roman letter, first one, assertion. Vijayanagar army was considered one of the feared armies in India. Reason, Vijayanagar armies used both firearm and cavalry. Option A, or is not the correct explanation of A. Option B, or is correct explanation of A. Option C, A is correct and or is wrong. Option D, A and or are correct. The correct answer is option B, or is correct explanation of A. Second one, find out the wrong pair. Option A, silk China. Option B, spices Arabia. Option C, precious stone Burma. Option D, Madurai Vijayam Ganga Devi. From these four pairs, we should find out the wrong pair. The answer is option B, spices Arabia, because spices Malabar. Third one, find the odd one out. Harihara 2, Muhammad 1, Krishna Devaraya, Devaraya 1. From these, we should find out the odd one. The odd one is Muhammad I, because Muhammad I was the ruler of Bahmani kingdom. Fourth one, consider the following statements and find out which is or correct. Number 1, Turkish throne is one of the bejeweled royal seats of Persian kings described in Firdausi's Shahnama. 2, the fertile regions between the rivers Krishna and Tungabhadra and Krishna Godavari Delta were the zones of conflict among the rulers of Vijayanagar and Bahmani. 3, Muhammad I was educated at Multan. 4th, Muhammad Gawan served with great distinction as the Prime Minister under Muhammad III. Option A, 1, 2 are correct. Option B, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option C, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Option D, 3, 4 are correct. Option E, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. The correct answer is option E, 1, 2, 4 are correct. Fifth Roman letter, true or false? First one, Harihara and Bukka were the founder of Bahmani kingdom. The answer is false, because Harihara and Bukka were the founder of Vijayanagar kingdom. Second, Krishna Devaraya, who reigned for 20 years, was the most illustrious rulers of Sangama dynasty. Answer is false because Krishnadevaraya belongs to Tuluva dynasty. Third one, Alasani Peddanna was the greatest of all Ashtadiggajas. True. Fourth one, kingship of Vijayanagar administration was hereditary based on the principle of primogeniture. True. Fifth one, there were 18 monarchs of the Bahmani dynasty. True. Sixth Roman letter, answer in one or two sentences. First one, the four dynasties of Vijayanagara kingdom with reference to prominent rulers of each dynasty. Second, write about the battle of Talikota. Third one, the structure of governance in Vijayanagar kingdom. Fourth one, the 5 independent kingdoms of Deccan Sultanate. Fifth one, the educational reforms of Alauddin Hasan Shah. Seventh Roman letter, answer in detail. Question number 1. Discuss the career and achievements of Krishnadevaraya. Eighth Roman letter, higher order thinking question. First one, discuss the causes for the decline of Vijayanagar rule. To what extent the Bahmani Sultans contributed to it? 10th Roman letter, answer grid. First one, name the kingdom ruled by 18 monarchs which lasted for nearly 180 years. Answer is Bahmani kingdom. Second, name the Bahmani Sultan who was restored to the throne by Krishnadevaraya. Muhammad Shah. Third one, name the book written by Krishnadevaraya in Sanskrit. Jambavati Kalyanam. Fourth one, where did Hasan Bahman Shah shifted his capital? Gulbarga. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.